Subscribe. It's red at youtube.com.
Yeah, me feel the water. And the water, I feel like it's a holy water. I use some, I rub my skin with it. You understand? I rub my skin, I'm gonna rub my skin again with it. Because me feel the real thing this for the nation.
Now, residents of Hill 60 in Duncan's Trelawney are drawing attention to what they have termed a sign of the time in their community.
Me feel the real thing this for the nation.
A substance they say resembles ice has been formed on the branch of a tree, much to the excitement of the residents and others passing through the community. They say it was first noticed on Monday by a man who was clearing the roadway along which the tree is located. Now, our correspondent visited today and residents told us that the feature was much larger early in the morning, but was melting given the day's heat.
I use some, I rub my skin with it. I'm gonna rub my skin, I'm gonna rub my skin again with it.
They are awaiting an explanation of the phenomenon by an environmental scientist or any other qualified individual, but in the meantime, they are treating the melting substance as some miracle water.
I'm gonna use some, I'm gonna rub my skin with it. We see it on it little, till it grow bigger and bigger and bigger. Right? So we want to do what? Yeah, me feel the water, and the water, I feel like it's a holy water. I'm gonna use some, I'm gonna rub my skin with it. You understand? I'm gonna rub my skin, I'm gonna rub my skin again with it. Because me feel the real thing this for the nation. And the water, I feel like it's a holy water.
Subscribe. It's red at youtube.com.